Hi everyone, good to see you again all. I hope you all will be fine. Please check Iraq latest news update. Thanks. The governor of the central bank says that the bank offers the dollar through the auction window, but many merchants do not want to participate and buy the dollar from the platform, but prefer to obtain it in other incorrect ways, and this is what caused the increase in its exchange rate in the parallel market. With this statement, the central governor confirms the fact that the role of the central bank ends with selling the dollar through the auction, and that a large part of the commercial movement does not want auction dollars, but is looking to buy parallel dollars at a higher price to obtain flexibility and ease of disposal with it away from supervision. This trend in the demand for the dollar through the markets may explain the state of the scarcity of the dinar and the state of stagnation taking place in the Iraqi markets today, which was caused by the seizure of merchants, speculators and smuggling networks of a large mass of the dinar for the purpose of purchasing the parallel dollar exclusively without allowing the circulation of this dinar in economy. This high and continuous demand for the parallel dollar will naturally lead to an increase in the level of speculation on it and the continuation of its prices, and this may prompt the parties participating in the auction window to transfer more of their dollar purchases to the parallel market to maximize profits as a result of the price differences between the auction dollar and the parallel dollar, and thus there will be a continuous increase in the mass of dollars destined to finance activities outside the scope of government and central bank oversight and control. And the leader of the unified Anbar alliance, Abdullah Ahmed al-Jughaivi, warned, on Friday, of obstacles imposed by the U.S. administration to thwart the central government's efforts to uncover corruption files and overthrow the corrupt. Al-Jughaivi said in a statement to Al-Maloma agency that the U.S. administration is involved in placing obstacles to limit the successes of the government of Mohammed Shahrar al-Suadni by imposing sanctions on 14 banks under the pretext that they cooperate with Iran, which is subject to economic sanctions in hard currency, the dollar. He added, America followed this policy in changing and overthrowing a number of previous governments by inflaming the street and carrying out demonstrations to confuse the political and security situation in the country for political purposes. The leader of the Anbar alliance explained, al-Sudanese opening of corruption files against senior officials in the current and former central government disturbed the U.S. administration, which prompted it to use this card as a pressure to obtain its efforts aimed at preserving and defending its supporters to achieve its goals, stressing that the government, the Sudanese, are elected by the people and cannot be overthrown in this way. It is noteworthy that the U.S. Treasury announced, a week ago, the closure of 14 Iraqi banks under the pretext of dealing with Iran in dollars. And the CBI is talking about the American dollar. Look, stop using it. If you stop using it, you don't have to worry about the exchange rate of the American dollar versus the Iraqi dinar. If you stop using the American dollars, the value of the dollar will go down and the value of the Iraqi dinar will go up. And the text of the Baghdad-Kurdistan Agreement on the implementation of the budget. This is a massive move forward, and it looks like they have worked through the last of the hydrogen chloride hold-up stuff. Money and agreements, looks like things are moving. Thanks, take care.